Hello, my name is Malory Tatiana Quintero Ramirez, and I am an student of Manuela Beltrán University. My invention. Paraplegia is a medical condition characterized by lack of motor control or lack of sensation, but to a degree affecting the lower torso. It usually results from spinal cord injury or a congenital disease such as spina bifida. It affects the frontal lobe of the brain, which is responsible for external sensory perception, sensation, touch, perception, pressure, temperature, and pain. This device is created in order to provide the patient with nervous stimuli through the connection of the spine with the brain, specifically to frontal lobe, thus creating a sensory and motor connectivity of the lower limbs and making the patient produce movement of the same. At the beginning of the implementation of this device, it is required a rehabilitation of the patient with an essential care while his body gets used to this stimuli and to the person of the affected members. It results with be excellent signs. It will rehabilitate patients in disability and the cost of the health system are alleviated. The advantage of the application of this project is the rehabilitation of patients and thus improving their lifestyle. Does not require a permanent caregiver for the patient. Does not generate extra costs in the health system and is styled through a surgery. The disadvantage of this is that the body can reject it like any other implant, creating a sepsis and a death by complication. That the patient lives in an environment that provokes stress and to increase the stimuli and a vascular disease is produced by the increase of the blood irrigation, and at the same time it could have complications in the activity of the lower members. Neither can it be used in patients with tumor or cerebral alteration like hydrocephalus by alteration in the normal cellular pressures. The patient needs to look after less 3 months while an adequate rehabilitation is carried out. That is to say, he or she must be constantly accompanied during this time, and the first years after the installation of the device must have medical check-ups during which the patient tolerates the body change produced by the device and couples the movements of the lower member, achieving adequate coordination. This device is created mainly for the shield population, since they would have better adherence and easier rehabilitation, since the hypertrophy of the muscles of the lower limbs is minimal and has better results with the implementation of psychical therapy. Surgery is only needed in early childhood, that is, before the age of 5 and after that. Rehabilitation, since it is a lifelong method, has no range of life. Bas- Based of the device present above, it is hoped that this can be of great help to the most vulnerability population who present paraplegia and provide them with a better quality of life. This device allows people to gradually regain movement through device connected to the brain and present stimuli to their muscles. This device is intended to improve the living condition of these people and allow them to enjoy wonderful moments, are taking into account their condition. Thanks.